Hey everyone, I am Alex. Welcome back to the Quality English Tutor podcast, where you learn real English for real life.
I am Sarah. We're happy you're here with us again.
I'm Alex, your English teacher and your weather reporter for today.
And I'm Sarah, the person who always forgets to check the weather before leaving the house.
Oh, really? So you carry an umbrella on a sunny day?
Or wear a sweater when it's 35 degrees.
Perfect. So stay with us, because after this episode, you'll never freeze again when someone asks, "How's the weather?" You'll answer confidently like a natural English speaker.
Yes, and everyone talks about the weather every single day.
Exactly. And by the end of this lesson, you'll confidently use real sentences like, "It's sunny," "It's raining," "It's cold," "It's warm today." Quick, simple, and natural.
Clear, useful, and perfect for real conversations.
All right, let's get started. Yes, and don't worry if you're a beginner. We'll go slowly, step by step, together. Let's begin with our first question. All right, what's the first question people ask when they want to start a conversation about the weather?
Probably, how's the weather?
Exactly. Simple and very common. Listeners, say it with us. How's the weather? Repeat after me. How's the weather? Great. Another natural question is, what's the weather like?
How's the weather and what's the weather like?
Perfect. You can use both questions anytime, morning, afternoon, or evening.
So, Alex, how do we answer these questions?
Easy. Start with it's and then add the weather word.
Like, it's sunny,
Exactly. Or it's cloudy.
it's rainy,
It's windy.
it's cold.
It's hot.
Wow, that really is simple.
English becomes simple when you learn it the Quality English Tutor way.
True.
Okay, listeners, your turn. Repeat slowly after us. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's rainy. It's windy. It's cold. It's hot.
Great job, everyone.
All right, time for a short story.
Yes, story time is my favorite.
It's Saturday morning. The sun is shining. Sarah wakes up, stretches, and looks out the window.
Wow, it's sunny today.
She smiles and says, "I will go to the park." She puts on her sunglasses and her hat.
I take my water bottle and say, "Let's go."
At the park, children are running. People are smiling.
The birds are singing. Everyone looks happy.
A perfect sunny day.
I love sunny days.
Me too. And describing sunny weather in English is very easy.
You can say, "It's a sunny day," or "The sun is shining."
Exactly. Listeners, repeat after us. It's a sunny day. It's shining.
Great job.
Now, of course, not every day is sunny.
Definitely not. Sometimes it rains a lot.
Exactly. So let's talk about rainy weather.
All right. How do we say it in English?
Very simple. It's raining.
It's raining.
Or you can say, it's a rainy day.
It's a rainy day.
Sarah, do you like rainy days?
Sometimes. I like drinking tea and watching movies when it rains.
That actually sounds really relaxing.
What about you, Alex?
I like walking in the rain with an umbrella. It feels calm.
Oh, wow. Romantic teacher.
Maybe a little.
Listeners, what do you do on a rainy day? Think about it.
Good. Try to say a full sentence. Practice with us. Repeat after me. It's raining. I'm drinking tea. It's raining. I'm staying home.
Excellent practice.
Story time again, and this one is a little crazy.
Yes, I love these stories.
One day, Alex and Sara go to the park. But oh no, it's very windy.
My hair is flying everywhere.
And suddenly, my hat flies away.
You start running after it, shouting, "Come back, hat!"
I finally catch it, but now my hair looks completely wild.
That's what windy days do.
So, listeners, how can we describe this weather?
We can say, "It's windy."
Exactly. Repeat after us. It's windy. It's a windy day.
Good. And when the wind is very strong, we can also say, "The wind is strong."
The wind is strong. Nice and simple.
Just like when your hat tried to fly away.
Very true. Now let's talk about temperature when it's hot or cold.
Brr, it's cold today.
Perfect example. You can say, it's cold, or it's very cold.
It's freezing.
Excellent. Freezing means very, very cold.
And the opposite, when it's hot.
Then we say, it's hot, or it's very hot.
It's boiling.
Boiling, like soup.
Exactly.
So remember, cold, freezing, hot, and boiling. Listeners, repeat after us slowly and clearly. It's cold. It's very cold. It's hot. It's very hot. Excellent. Well done.
Alex, sometimes the weather changes so fast.
Yes, 1 minute it's sunny, the next minute, rain.
I know. You can say, "It's cloudy."
Or, it's partly sunny.
"It's cool today."
It's warm today.
"It's a little windy."
Great. These small words, a little, very, quite, help describe the weather better.
So I can say, "It's a little cold," or "It's very hot."
Perfect, Sarah. Now let's practice a short conversation.
Yes, I love this part.
Imagine you meet a friend outside. What can you say first?
I can say, "Hi, how's the weather?"
Perfect. And your friend might say, it's sunny today.
Then you can reply, "Yes, it's a nice day."
Or if it's raining, you might say, oh no, it's raining again.
That happens a lot.
Now let's practice. You'll be the friend this time. I'll start. Hi, how's the weather? Oh yes, it's beautiful today.
Great job, everyone. Keep practicing like this. It makes your English sound natural.
All right, now let's put everything together.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'll ask questions, and you answer as we practiced.
Okay, go.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny.
Great. What's the weather like in winter?
It's cold and snowy.
Nice. And in summer?
It's hot and sunny.
How about in spring?
It's warm and rainy.
Excellent. What about in autumn?
It's cool and windy.
Perfect. Listeners, now you try. Say it out loud. In summer, it's hot. In winter, it's cold. In spring, it's warm. In autumn, it's cool.
That's perfect English.
Let's review everything we learned today.
Okay,
We learned how to ask, what's the weather like? And how to answer, it's sunny, it's rainy, it's windy, it's cold, and more.
we also learned small words like very, a little, warm, and cool.
And we had fun mini-stories, the sunny park, the windy hat, and the rainy tea day.
My favorite was when your hat flew away.
Mine too.
So now, listeners, you can talk about the weather in English anywhere, in class, with friends, or even while traveling.
Exactly. Just remember, weather is a friendly topic. It's how people start conversations.
Like, "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?"
Or, wow, it's really cold today.
Easy and natural.
Dear student, listen. Even if you understood only 20% today, you are improving.
Every time you show up, you grow. Even if it feels slow, it matters.
Remember, English is not about perfection. It's about practice, confidence, and belief.
And we truly believe in you.
Right now, look outside your window and try saying the weather in English.
Don't be shy. You can do it. I'm learning too. We're learning together.
You are doing great. Keep going. So, everyone, what's the weather like where you are right now?
Look outside your window and try saying it in English.
Say it with confidence. It's sunny. It's raining. It's windy.
You can do it.
Okay, friends, before we finish today, let's talk a little bit about something important, global warming.
Global warming? What is that, Alex?
Good question. Global warming means the Earth is getting hotter.
Hotter? Really? Why?
Yes, it happens because of pollution and burning too many cars, factories, and forests.
Oh, so the weather is changing?
Exactly. Winters can be warmer, summers can be hotter, and sometimes there are more storms.
Wow. So it affects everyone?
Yes, that's why it's important to save energy, plant trees, and be careful with pollution.
Wow. I can help too. Turn off lights, recycle, small actions.
Perfect, Sara. Every small action counts.
And we can even talk about the weather and notice changes, right?
Exactly. Look outside. Is it hotter than usual? Rainy more often? These are small signs of global warming.
Got it. Friends, we can learn English and also take care of our planet.
That's right. Simple English, big ideas.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quality English Tutor Podcast.
Leave a comment. Tell us one thing about the weather in your country today.
Keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep learning.
And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.